Dogs are hilarious and adorable, and they come in all sizes, from the world's smallest pooch, the Chihuahua, to the towering Great Dane. How much space a dog takes up is a key factor in deciding if he is compatible with you and your living space. Large breeds, that sometimes look like bears, might seem overpowering and intimidating, but most of them are incredibly sweet. We hope you get charmed by the size of these giant dogs presented in this video. That's all for today, folks. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos in the future. Until next time, bye and have a nice day.